Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. So keeping your cooling system clean and free of nasty buildup and road grime is crucial to the performance of your vehicle. BlueDevil Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser works hard on your cooling system to restore efficiency and keep your vehicle operating at peak levels all the time. This high-performance coolant flush works well in all vehicles, especially those in need of deep cleaning. It also works as an oil degreaser and removes that rust that's potentially built up in your system. Maximize your engine's performance with routine treatments of BlueDevil Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.